Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine. If your first time visiting, thanks so much for visiting. If it's not your first time visiting, thanks for coming back. Today I'm just doing a quick little video. My friend, she sent me these, she brought over these DTF images of her daughter, Shi'ayr Harris. It's going to be in the Junior Olympics in Las Vegas, June the 14th to the 22nd. Go ahead, girl. Black magic, okay? That's my friend. So basically, my DTF machine just came in, y'all. Let me show y'all. It's not even unwrapped. It's right here. I just got it. So I got it from Big Boy. Shout out to Big Boy for looking out for me. I haven't put it together yet, so I'm going to do a video with this showing y'all how I put my DTF machine together. He still has to send me the ink. So I got the cord and everything I got to put together. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm just going to do basically a video of me, doing some DTF films, okay? So let me know if y'all ready for me to go ahead and print y'all DTF films out for you. My son over here working. He also got a little part-time job. He up here doing his little... My son has an eBay site, so he over there printing out his labels while I'm over here doing work too, y'all. So we out here. But anyway, shout out to her. She is doing her thing. She is doing her thing. So basically, her mom sent me this stuff. She already got her t-shirt. She got it from Michael's. They're 100%. It's cotton, heavy cotton. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these. I got both of my heat presses on. I'm gonna go ahead and press these for 320 degrees for 40 seconds on both machines, okay? That's what I usually do my DTF on, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut out, and I'm gonna show you how the process. But she also sent these to me, and they had little spots on here. So I'm gonna show you how to get these spots out. Like if you roll these the wrong way, it'll make little indentations and indentations in here, and then they make little spots. We're gonna get those out, y'all. I'm gonna show you how to get these spots out. I had a video that showed you how they do that before. I had some DTF that I had for a long time, and it was like a lot of spots on them, but they're gonna come out. She got white t-shirts, okay? All on white t-shirts. Here's her baby. She's 15. I think she's 15. She's doing her thing. So if y'all in Las Vegas, go check her out. Okay, let me go ahead and get these cut out, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm gonna do the small shirts first. This shirt right here is a small child size shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. It's gonna be upside down because how my camera is. Parchment paper right here. Heat it up a little bit more. Couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get all of the moisture out of it and all the wrinkles. Okay. Now I'm going to get the design. She got small ones and she got large ones. So I'm going to go ahead and get the small one right here. Put on this shirt. You can see that? This is nice. I'm gonna show y'all how it look afterwards. I always do 3 inches below the neckline. This is a kid's shirt, a kid's small shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 inches below the neckline. Okay, about right there. Go ahead and make sure it's center in the middle. This little girl, she's doing big things. We're in Toledo, Ohio. She's gonna be in Las Vegas with the Junior Olympics. So proud of her. Let's hope she wins. 5 on this side, 5 on this side. Straight out the shirt a little bit. 5. Okay, so that's straight. So now I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's that. Then I'm going to put the parchment paper on top of it. I don't know if this is called parchment paper. I can't think of the name of the paper, y'all, but y'all know what it is. It's probably not parchment paper. I'm so bad. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hold this for 320 for 40 seconds. And I'm going to go over here and get this shirt over here prepped up. Get another small shirt. Put it over here on this machine, on this heat press. Here's a small shirt, kids. Okay, it's about to be done. Let the beat. That one's done. Let me do the next one. Show you how that one looks. Teflon paper. Teflon paper, y'all. I got it. Teflon paper. Okay. Go ahead and get this centered on this. Teflon paper. I'm just measuring to make sure it's the right size on each side. 5. That's good. All right, I'm gonna go and press this and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the big one on here on the machine. This is the 2X. This is the big picture on this one. Then also over here on that one's a 2X with the big picture. I'm gonna press it and show you how it looks when it's done. Put the Teflon paper on there. I already heated it up. Got the wrinkles out of there. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it for 320 for 40 seconds for both of them. Y'all haven't did these seconds so much in so long. I forgot to get the peel of film off. I'm over here tripping. So they both 320 for 40 seconds. Let this cool off a little bit and I'm gonna peel it. Then I'm gonna just peel off the top, but right now I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and put it on the side and keep on going to the next shirt. Go to the next one. Just keep on going, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the end results when I'm done. Okay, here's one of the shirts. All done. And then this the other shirts all done. All the total is like 6 shirts. I just wanted to show y'all a couple of them. I'm showing you now how I just basically put it under the heat press, cover it up with the Teflon paper, go ahead and heat it up again. To do the same thing for this one. And then it'll show you, you know, the time and temp. And I'm just basically talking over the video because the mom came and we was talking and stuff in the background, so I really. Okay, this is the shirt. It's done. Remember the film is on top of it. Here's another one right here. I'm gonna get these spots out of here in a minute, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna just pull it out and how it looks. Look at that. Black girl magic. Yes. Period. And we do that one, but then this one I'm gonna show y'all the spots over here because it was folded a little bit. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this off. Look at that. Sometimes it comes off because just the film that's doing that, and I'm also going to heat up to get some of these wrinkles out of here. Let me just get these wrinkles out of here one more time. So see here, these wrinkles, I'm going to put a little heat on there. It's going to get them wrinkles out. Put some parchment, the Teflon paper on top. And watch this. Couple seconds. Look at that. Smooth like butter, baby.
That's dope.
So just let me know. I'm gonna have my DTF machine to be on. It's gonna be unpacked in a minute. I'm gonna unpack that. And let me know if y'all need some DTF films. I'm gonna sell them and I'm also do the shirts. Until next time, be blessed.
Have a good one.